Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ALT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Nice close to the week here, and a very interesting pattern, and this is the pattern that a lot of people are going to be watching. So I make that comment because when lots of people are watching the same areas and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can certainly produce some nice upwards movement here. And the pattern that we have is really all based around this area right here at $9.50, which is definitely the key level of resistance. I mean, you can go through the history of the day, and whenever the price got really anywhere close to $9.50, the price just got rejected from it. But what makes this very interesting is that the last 30 minutes of the day, very nice. And it definitely put it within striking distance of potentially breaking that area right there going into Monday. Now, don't get me wrong, there's no such thing as a guarantee. My core point here is that it's more than valid. It's more than rational to think that if the price can work its way up there and get the break of 915, that could very well create a lot of upside buying pressure. Once more, not a guarantee, but it's more than a rational thought to have. So 950, long shorts, everybody in between, you're going to be watching that level and wondering, can the price finally get the break up through it? And if it can, then I'm not saying it's shooting up here within 2 minutes, but at that point, up around 1035 definitely becomes potentially in play. So those are going to be the main levels of resistance going forward. As far as supports are concerned, and what makes this pattern interesting is you also have a nice little uptrending, so almost just a little miniature wedge, miniature ascending triangle, whatever you want to call it. But the point is the psychology here, and the psychology is that all day long, the price was slowly creeping upwards. So the price is, like I said, it's working slowly but surely up towards that level. So we'll see if the price can get the break up above it or not. And then if that trend line fails, at that point, you'd want to turn your attention immediately to that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. But these are going to be the main dynamics to watch going forward. So let's see what happens with it later. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.